Well, hello and welcome to Iceland vlog. Well, hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you a room tour of the Storm Hotel in Reykjavik in Iceland. So we've literally just arrived. We've just closed the door behind us, as you can see there. A couple of areas to hang your coats and things, which is very handy because we're going to need coats. This is my daughter Jasmine, in case you don't know. And this is a very full-length mirror. I expect you're happy about that.
I am happy about that.
So we've literally just arrived. This is our cases. So we just put them down. So I'm going to show you around the room. You've got somewhere to put your case, which is amazing. And a few decent wooden hangers. Now, we're probably going to not need those for dresses and things, but that's handy nonetheless. We have tea and coffee making facilities, which we think is quite handy because we bought some like pot noodles and things to have in the room. So you do have a kettle. 2 cups because there's only 2 of us, and some tea and coffee up there. We have a television, a little chair, which is handy for putting your shoes on, a tiny little getting ready area, but you know, we're in the middle of the city, so that's okay. A mirror there, which if you're a bit short like us, not necessarily that ideal, but nonetheless, it's cute, really cute. Little phone there so we can contact them. And this is the bed. It looks like a very large and very comfortable bed. Oh my goodness, that artwork is amazing, Jasmine. Is that Iceland? Surely it is, you would think. We've got a lovely big radiator here and some like neck curtains. So it's not on actually, but it's really warm in this room. Out in the street is cuteness all around. So I can't tell you what our view is because we've literally just arrived and obviously it's dark and we are in winter. So it is the time when there's not a lot of light, isn't it?
Not much at all, about 4 hours, 5 hours a day.
Yeah. So what have we got in the way of plugs? So plug sockets that you use here are the same as in Europe, the little round ones. A really lovely bathroom. Everything is spotlessly clean and it smells very new, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, so this wood is really quite cute. But in here, what you're going to want to know is there's a little sink. What's this? Hair and body shampoo, it says. So I'm assuming that that's your hand wash. You get towels. Obviously, as a toilet, state the obvious. Loo rolls and stuff. And a really lovely rain shower. Really lovely. I mean, this is going to be quite a short room tour because it is quite a little room, but we are literally in the middle of the centre. Oh, nice towels. And who doesn't love a heated towel round? So we've got towels here for us. It's not a lot really when you've got 2 girls and 2 lots of hair to do. We might be able to ask for some more, but there's a couple of hand towels that we could choose. We have a hairdryer because everybody asks, is there a hairdryer? But in there as well as a plug in the bathroom. So that's it. That's the room tour done. Cute lighting. Let's have a great time.
Yeah.
How exciting is this? So you would have seen the travel with me, you would have seen the room tour. This is day 1. So we've just arrived and it is bedtime really, but we're not going to take bedtime. No, by jiggity. We're going to go out, we're going to have a little explore. We've got a map and I've circled where we are and we probably need some food. So we're going to try and get something to eat and maybe have a small explore, but it is quite cold. Although tomorrow they said it's going to be high of -2 and a low of -7. So, and we're on our Golden Circle tour. So we've got Golden Circle tour. We are going to the Blue Lagoon. We are going to something else. And we got loads of stuff booked. So you're definitely going to want to make sure you stay tuned. Please do subscribe and hit the notifications bell. It really helps me as well, support my channel. So let's take our map and let's go for a wander.
We are in Iceland. They say a bit cheesy, but
We've also got matching fingernails.
we have.
So why not? Always catch up in a lift. Right, don't laugh, but that was Domino's. We was in Domino's, just asked if they do gluten-free, but they don't. They don't. Not in this country. Where's Jasmine gone? What's she doing?
Well, I was just thinking if there's any sides you could maybe have. I think they've got like chicken wings and stuff if we need to.
Okay, and they're open till quite late, are they? Miss Clever here.
11? Oh, I said 11 till midnight.
Oh, okay.
I thought it meant like... 11.
Okay, well it's like 9 o'clock at night here and I said let's go out and have a little wander and see if we can find some food.
Yeah.
And Jazz kept on about how cold I'm going to be and I'm like, no, I don't need hats and things. My God, it's bloody freezing. My ears, look how red they are where it's so cold.
Well, you may as well pack it because if it's too warm and we don't need a hat, we're not going to regret it. But
I know.
if it's cold and we need the hat, then you regret not
But then you go inside, you wrap yourself all up, you go inside and then you're so hot when you get inside. But anyway, it's really
I got
pretty.
hot on the plane, so it's quite nice to walk out the airport actually.
Look how frosty the cars are. Look at the top of these. I'm going to send this video to Nathan as well because he's going to love this. Look how frosty the top of the cars are. Yeah, it's amazing. Very
Also made a video of travel day.
But simply because I've never seen this in my life. Look, watch. They do these things on the streets and this dude's just eating his dinner. Anyway, we think we found the strip because it's incredibly pretty and we have city bikes. Look at that building over there. Oh my. So we've just seen the top of the famous, what's it?
I think it's Hallgrimska
Chapel. And Jasmine went, oh, is that such and such? And I went, what are you saying? Go on, say it again.
Hallgrimska? Maybe. I probably totally butchered it, so I do apologise.
Hallgrimska. And we think it's up here. Should we go up there and have a look, see if we can find it?
It's up this way anyway.
Oh.
It's right there.
What's right there?
Fish and chips on the right.
Oh,
the
it's
sign
inside.
might be in your way.
Hallgrimska. So if you know me and you know what I do, I hunt for gluten-free food on the go, and we've heard loads of things about food in Reykjavik being really expensive. So we've come to Reykjavik fish restaurant, which does fish and chips, but they're nearly closed. So very kindly they've said they'll do us some sweet potato fries and some fries to take away. Just to give you an idea, the cost of that was 1,280, which I think, isn't that about £8? I think that's about £8. So, I mean, it isn't cheap, but it's not bad either. And when you just arrived, we just arrived today and we're hungry, so. Look at this little one's face. Look what's ahead of us. Hang on, let's get past this light, you see it better. Oh, oh my God, it's so much bigger than I thought. Look at the star on the top with the cross. Beautiful. Iconic Iceland, Jazz.
We're in Iceland.
With our chips.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are in Iceland. Let's get a picture of that. Wow. Wow. Full moon as well. Or almost. I was wondering why it's so quiet, and the more time goes on, I can see why. Look at that. It's getting colder and colder. It's -4 now, it said. And I think what they do is they go in and they wrap up and they get ready for bed, which is very sensible. So we're going to head back to our hotel and get snuggly.
And do the same.
Get a cup of tea. Ooh, I don't know if it's going to be quite the same as it won't have the milk.
No.
And anyway, because we've got an early start in the morning, so don't know what this is we've just found, but we think it looks impressive. That is a very large tyre, and it says Arctic exposure.
Look at the size of it.
You're standing in the.
large gloves.
That's a very large machine, isn't it? Wowzers! Wow. So Mrs. Christmas over there just said, "I'm mad." You look mad, Mrs. Christmas. They're so cute.
Mrs. Christmas as well.
Oh, well, I am half Mrs. Christmas. I've just taken my boots off. They've not been off since 7 o'clock this morning when we left home. And it's now, what, at night? 10 o'clock at night? So they've been on my feet for 15 hours.
So comfy.
And look how amazing. Well, you know, as amazing as your feet can look when they've been in them for those amount of hours.
Yeah.
How was your walk, Jazz?
I really enjoyed it. It's nice to see a bit of the area.
It was, wasn't it? And we need to plan. You look amazing. I don't know how you look so good. I don't mean that like it sounded, but considering we've walked and we've been on a plane and, you know.
Yeah, it's been a long day.
Yeah.
Fun day though.
Yeah. Great.
Pretty smoothly actually.
Very smoothly. Well done you, planning it all.
Well done you.